Another class of medication that is very frequently used in people with diabetes is insulin. And insulin is an injected medication. Nowadays, there are numerous types of insulin that have different effects, and often they are combined. And insulin is often used in people in which they're not responding well to the oral medications, and we have to add insulin to help maintain their blood sugar levels at a better range. And there's really no distinction or no major distinction between the use of insulin between the elderly and younger people. All the insulins that are used in younger people will be effective in older people. What type of insulin is best for the elderly really depends on each case, and it would be recommended to go on an insulin regimen under a close supervision by a physician and a diabetes educator if there is access to a diabetes educator.